Hey team, it's Chelsea. I'm just here today to go over properly putting on and taking off PPE. So first we're gonna start with hand sanitizing. You wanna do this for at least 15 seconds. If your hands are visibly soiled, you'll need to wash with soap and water. After that, you're gonna put on your gown. You will need to wear your gown if your patient will be exposing you to any bodily fluids or if they're in any type of isolation, such as C. diff, MRSA, or if they are coronavirus positive. After your gown, you're gonna pick the correct face mask. If you're at risk for being exposed to bodily fluids, you can do a regular surgical mask, which what you will do is you will cup this part over your nose and then do the ear loops. If you are at risk for droplet precautions, or if the patient is under droplet precautions, you would do an N95. So you're gonna cup it over your nose. Press down over your nose to make sure it's fitting correctly. And then you can check the seal by placing your hands over, breathing in and make sure no air is getting in or out. After that, we're gonna do our goggles, which I do not have goggles, so we're gonna do sunglasses. After that, we are gonna do our shoe covers. If the patient is in any type of isolation, you will need to wear shoe covers, or if you feel that maybe you need to wear them as the patient's house may be dirty or you're not sure what's on their floors, that'll just help protect you from bringing any bacteria germs from outside their house into their car and back to your home. After that, we're gonna put on our gloves. Always make sure you have the correct size so they're not falling off and nothing is getting inside. I always try to as well to put the gown underneath my gloves so there's no contact there. And then you're ready to take care of your patient. When you're done taking care of your patient, as far as taking off your PPE in the correct order, first you're gonna do your gloves, like so. You don't wanna touch the dirty part with your clean hands. Inside of the glove is clean. And then you're going to do your gown, which you want to take it off from the inside out. And then roll it up. And then you're gonna do your mask. The back side is clean, so I'm gonna touch that to take it off. And then you're gonna take off your goggles. And then lastly, you'll take off your shoe covers. Same thing with the glove. Try to get from the inside out. That way you're not touching any of the dirty part of the shoe cover. Toss in the trash. And then you're going to hand sanitize. One thing that's important to remember, if the patient is on droplet precautions and you do have an N95 on, do not remove your mask until after you've left their room or the facility. That concludes our video for today. Thank you guys so much for everything you're doing. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.